Initial review. Loans are predicated on 3 things: credit, income, and asset. But first we need to copy everything. One person makes it that otherwise wouldn't because of video, that's worth it.
Yeah, definitely. You deal with a lot of people that have probably been through a similar situation but are too embarrassed to tell. You know what I mean? Or too embarrassed to say, hey, you know what, this is how I went, this is what I went. Because you know what, the average person will sit down and say, hey, you know what, I put down $40,000 on the house, you know, just to make myself, you know, to put myself on that status and say, hey, you know, I'm successful and, you know, I've done this, the X, Y, and B, you know what I mean, and I'm better than you. You know, and I think that happens a lot. You know, for me, from where I came from and what I've done, you know, I don't have no ego to say like, hey, you know what, I went through a first-time buyer program. This is the only way I can go. I didn't have a lot of money. You know what I mean? I had bad credit, and I worked on my credit because, you know, we all have goals, and that's our goal, is just basically to, you know, be here and, you know, break that cycle, like I said, become a homeowner.
Great. Yeah, I'm glad you're here. It's perfect. You're like favorite kind of clients. Collecting that 40 grand, paying the rents. Yeah. When you could have been making money, you could have paid off your house, you know?
Yeah,
like,
exactly.
How long did it take you to make the 40 grand? 10 years, 5 years, 3 years?
People don't really have that money, and they did go through the program, but they say, hey, you know, this is the route I went, you know?
Yeah. So we're going to go over first-time homebuyer programs right now. These are going to be the 3 categories, no matter what first-time homebuyer program or down payment assistance closing cost program you hear of. So number 1 is going to be a grant, silent second loan program, and then the last one's a mortgage credit certificate. Which one's the best program? Whichever one best suits your needs.